Instapage review, pricing and product details. Is Instapage the best landing page builder? The World Wide Web is a cutthroat place where everyone is vying for the attention. For business owners, creatives, educators, and other online entities, the need to set one apart from everyone else is critical. Currently, one of the best ways to do that is to create a strong, viable, and robust online presence, such as a landing page. And when we talk about landing pages, the only service that is truly worth getting is Instapage. Instapage is a service that makes it easier to create landing pages that could properly and significantly boost you and your brand. For those who are new to Instapage, they will find that after only a relatively short learning curve, the ease in building and managing their landing page is indeed beneficial to launching marketing and advertising campaigns. This is mainly due to the fact that Instapage's many features were developed with their users' easy adaptability of utilization in mind. Here are a few of them. The WSYIWYG editor. This feature alone just about obliterates every single reason not to have your own landing page. Everything you need is quite literally at your fingertips, and don't even get me started on the wide selection of themes to choose from. Once you've narrowed down your theme of choice. A/B split testing. Through this feature, Instapage helps you determine what works best for your campaign. By doing so, you will be able to correctly assess which variation of your campaign has the most efficient conversions, which has the most audience attraction and engagement, and therefore allow you to make informed strategizing. Integrations. Need to run your campaigns on different platforms to further boost engagement and conversion. Instapage does this by sending targeted ads that in turn could convert SNS likes into actual paying customers. Additionally, this feature allows you to automate your emails, get real-time analytics, connect with and use third-party apps and platforms, and many more. Campaign management. Think of landing pages as a sort of mood tracker which, when utilized properly, allows you to further zoom in on what your target audience positively responds to the most. With Instapage acting as a virtual campaign manager, everything is made easy. From building to customizing, analytics, and tracking to changing campaign elements in real time, and to mapping out progressive solutions for your brand or business, Instapage has got you covered. While there are other ways to launch campaigns for your brand or business, I can confidently say that Instapage delivers the best A to Z service in the current online marketing landscape. Apart from the fact that it is analytics-driven, Instapage does not skimp on the design aspect, giving you access to so many, and by many, I mean millions of stock images to use for your landing pages. Also, when it says drag and drop, it truly allows you to drag and drop an element anywhere on your layout, further making it easier to customize according to what works and what your analytics dictate. Wrapping up, Instapage is a service platform that truly works with you and for you. Instapage pros and cons. Pros. 1. No traffic limits. 2. Built-in analytics tool. 3. Integration with various other software systems. 4. Dynamic text replacement for PPC. 5. The best templates and page designs. 6. Direct integration. 7. Over 200 editable templates. Lastly, 8. Streamlined and user-friendly interface. Cons. 1. Very few inbuilt icons, shapes, and images. 2. Split testing not available on the basic plan. 3. Price can be unsuitable for some users. Thank you for watching, and click the link below if you want to learn more about Instapage. Please like and subscribe.